In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Apollo Group TV app on Firestick. So here are the steps to install the Apollo Group TV app on your Firestick. The first thing that you'll need to do is to install the Downloader app. From the Firestick home screen, go to the search icon and type in Downloader and select it from the list. Now install the app on your TV. Download the Apollo Group TV APK using the Downloader app that you've installed on your Fire Stick. To be able to do that, go ahead and enter this provided URL on the URL field and download the Android TV version of Apollo Group TV. Once the download is complete, select install. Now after installation, you can delete the APK file to save some space. Launch the Apollo Group TV. Go to your apps and channels, find and open the Apollo Group TV app and log in with your email or username and password. And that's how you can simply install Apollo Group TV on your Fire Stick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.